The hot chocolate you must try, plus bonus marshmallow recipe at the end. Craving comfort in a cup? Try this hot chocolate recipe, the most delicious hot chocolate you will ever taste, I promise you. Rich, creamy and chocolatey. This easy hot chocolate is made with simple ingredients for maximum flavor. Plus enjoy a bonus at the end of the video for homemade marshmallow recipe that's soft, fluffy and perfect for topping on your drink. This is the ultimate hot chocolate with marshmallow you don't want to miss. My name is Julian and I'm a chef since 2012. I've worked in 5-star restaurants and Michelin-starred kitchens around the world, like in the USA, Netherlands and London. I will be happy if you join me for this recipe and let me share with you my culinary experience. To prepare the hot chocolate, sieve the cornstarch, high quality cocoa powder, powdered sugar, cinnamon and pinch of salt. Mix well with a spoon. This mix can be pre-made and stored in a jar for months and be ready for the next step. This way you can make hot chocolate anytime you want. It will keep for months in a dry place. For a cup of hot chocolate, all you need to do is add the hot chocolate mix to 200 ml cold milk. If you add it to hot milk, it's possible to have some lumps and won't be as smooth. Then add high quality chocolate. For less sweet version, add dark chocolate. You can buy online some Belgian chocolate drops for better quality. Put this on a medium heat and whisk until everything is mixed together and the chocolate is melted. Then you can spice it up with some Baileys or even add some cognac or brandy. That's ready to pour in a cup and top with some beautiful marshmallows, which I will show you how to make next. For the marshmallows, mix cornstarch and powdered sugar together. This mix will prevent the marshmallow pieces later sticking to each other and to any surface they touch. Before we pour the marshmallow mix, brush the tray you will use with oil and sift over with the powdered sugar mix. In the mixing bowl, add the cold water and gelatin powder. Mix them and let the gelatin bloom for about 10 minutes. Once it's bloomed, in a small pot, heat together water, sugar, honey and vanilla paste. If there is any brown foam forming on the top, just remove it with a spoon. Cook until you reach 115 Celsius or 240 Fahrenheit. Once you reach the temperature, it's time to start whisking the bloomed gelatin and start adding gently the sugar syrup. Do not rush by adding the sugar syrup too quickly, as it will split the mix. Keep a consistent drip all the time until the syrup is finished. Once you have added all the syrup, continue mixing for about 6 more minutes. Once you pick up the whisk, you should see a drip staying on top. If it disappears immediately, continue whipping for 5 more minutes. Once ready, pour in the prepared tray on an even layer. The thickness is up to you. The thicker the marshmallow, the longer the dry process will be. Be quick, as it will start to dry quick. It will need about 12 hours to dry completely, depending on the thickness. Once dry, cover the top with the powdered sugar mix and turn over a board. The marshmallow will be sticky, so be prepared with enough sugar starch mix. Keep adding as needed to stop sticking to the knife, board or hands. Cut the marshmallow to your desired size. Best for hot chocolate is small squares, which is about 2 centimeters. Keep them in a covered container up to 3 months. It's been a pleasure for me to show you another amazing recipe from my culinary experience. This hot chocolate is a must-try recipe and you'll never regret making it. It takes simply a few minutes to make it and it's worth it. It's all simple, it's always ready in the jar waiting to be mixed with some milk and chocolate drops. And can make any hard day feels good. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe with the bell. That means a lot for any small channel. And we hope to see you in another video. Bye!